Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to bookmark a web page in Google Chrome. If you've ever wanted a fast way to save your favorite websites and get back to them in seconds, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add bookmarks in Chrome with confidence, so you can keep your online life just a little bit more organized. Let's get started. The very first step is to open your Google Chrome browser. Now, this might sound basic, but I always like to mention it because sometimes folks are using a different browser and don't realize that Chrome has its own way of handling bookmarks. So if you're not already in Chrome, go ahead and click that colorful icon. Usually it's at the bottom of your screen if you're on a PC, or maybe in your applications folder if you're on a Mac. Give it a moment to open. Once you've got Chrome up and running, you'll want to head over to the web page you want to bookmark. Maybe it's a site you visit every day, like your email, a news site, or in this example, let's say you want to bookmark YouTube. Just go ahead and type youtube.com into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. You should see YouTube load up. But of course, this technique works with any site. So if you're more into reading blogs, shopping online, or following sports scores, just navigate to whatever page makes sense for you. Now here's where the magic happens. Right at the top of your browser, you'll see the spot where the website address appears. That's called the URL bar. On the far right side of that address bar, you'll see a small star icon. Sometimes people overlook it because it's pretty subtle, but that little star is your gateway to bookmarking. All you need to do is click on the star. If you're nervous you might hit the wrong spot, don't worry. The star is hard to miss once you're actively looking for it. Click it once and you'll see a menu pop up. At this point, Chrome lets you confirm your bookmark. You'll see a box show up where you can give the bookmark a name if you want, or choose where to place it. If you're the organized type, you can create folders or move your bookmarks into different categories. But if you're just trying to save time right now, all you have to do is click Done. That's it. Chrome will save this web page to your bookmarks. So why does bookmarking even matter? Imagine bookmarks are like sticky notes for your browser. Instead of trying to remember a complex URL or searching for a page every single time, you can go back with one click. Whether it's a recipe you want to try later, a work document, or your favorite music playlist, bookmarks make it happen quickly. And there you go. You've just learned how to bookmark a web page in Google Chrome. Easy, right? If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if there's another Chrome trick you want to learn, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.